Do you have a list that has, say, lots of duplicate information, but you would like to extract a list of all the items in there, but just once? You don't want the duplicates. You want to group them all together to see just one of every value. Okay, let's take a look at how to do that. So what I have here is a spreadsheet that has a bunch of software. Now, this is just training data, so I changed it from just fake software, just in case somebody ever created software with that name, and just put software ABC, etc. So I've got A to G. What I'd like to do, say I didn't want to have to type those in, I want to get a unique list of all the software packages here. I don't have to go through and filter and look at them, etc., and retype them. What I can do is I can just highlight it and extract the list. So I'm just going to select it. Okay. And it's actually in data. Okay. I'm already here. It's in the data tab and it's in sort and filter. And it's actually an advanced filter. So I click on advanced filter, and in here I just click on OK. That's it. And then it brings up this little advanced filter pop-up box. So it's saying, do I want to filter the list in place? In this case, I don't want to do that. I do want to copy it to a new location. Now the list range is what I've selected, so I don't want to change that. In this case, I have no criteria because I want a unique one for each one. Criteria is what I'd filter. So I want everything that's, I don't know, say employee names with the first letter of G or whatever. Okay, I can do that. But in this case, I don't want to do any of that filtering. Then I want to copy it somewhere else. So I just click where I'd like that list, and it does have to be on the same sheet. Occasionally, every so often, let's see if it works, I'll try and click on another sheet and put it in there and then say, right, unique records only, click on OK, and it comes up. I mean, it usually looks like it's going to work, and then it's like, no, doesn't work. So for this one, remember it's data, advanced, copying the list to another location, leaving the list range, copy to, it has to be somewhere on this, which I'm cutting and pasting elsewhere, which is why I'm not too worried about it not being right at the top. And then I want unique records only, okay, or only unique records. So unique items within the list, one of everything. Now I OK it, and it now brings me my list. Now what it's done is it thinks that I have a heading, and so software A is the first one. I'm just going to go like that. There we go. And I'm going to cut it, and then I can paste it over here, and then I can put my, don't want that, so I'm just going to delete it, just a right mouse click. And I'm going to delete and move my cells up, or I can get rid of the entire row. Doesn't matter in this case. There we go. I can also sort this list, make it look good, and I can put my licensing cost, etc., which is what I wanted to do because I'm going to add that column with a lookup in it. So if you'd like a video on how to look things up, it'll be at the end of this one. Also, if you found this video useful, helpful, or interesting, please do click on that thumbs up button that's usually below this video. And if you'd like to see more of my videos, do subscribe to my channel. It just lets me know that people do want me to add new content. Thank you so much and have a fantastic day. Bye for now.